Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be looking at activity 13D. So the question says open the document that you saved in activity 13C. Save it with the file name activity 13D. Okay, so let me just do that first before we move on. So I'm going to locate my activity 13C. Got it here. Good. So I'm going to save it as browse for that. As activity 13D, right? So I'll save that. Good. So so the next question says place in the header the text. So let me just copy the text immediately. Place in the header the text created by and your name on the left. Okay, so in the header, so let me first of all get that done. So if you look at the header here, it contains already has some text in it, the header. So we can double click on it, right? And then on the left, we can add our text, right? And the way we can do that is to actually go to insert. From insert, we want to go to header. So from header here, we can choose edit header, right? And then I can add my text right there after my text space, and I'm going to have my name. My first name is Ikechukwu, and then my surname is Anolefo. We can add that. So what's next? And then still at the header, so let me just highlight this. I've done this. Okay, and then automated file name on the right. Okay, so I want to have automated file name on the right. So there's no automated file path. It's just the file name that is needed, no file path, right? Okay, so I will just go there and then click at the back of the activity 13C. I want to click on press tab to move to the right. Okay, so I want to go to quick path, or let's say anyone, just actually document. The most important thing is to get to field. From field, I want to go to file name. Click on file name. I don't need the file path, so I'm just going to have the file name right there, right aligned. So I'm going to close that. So let me see the next question. So place. So the next one is place in the footer the text. This. So let me copy the text. The text page number followed by an automated page number in the right. Sorry, in the center. So this should be in the footer. So we go to the footer. Insert. I want to get to the footer. I want to edit the footer so because the footer contains something already. So I want to go and click at the middle. I have the text right here, so I'm going to have space. From number, I want to have, I'm already at the current position, which is this center. So I want to take, let me see what they have right there. Automated page number in the center. So the page number I will take will be the one at the center. Let me see. Is there any center? Okay, so I can take any one actually, since I'm already at the right position, right? So I can take any one right there. Okay, so that's for that. And then followed by, okay, so this done, right? The center. And then finally, I want to get this done. And the text last edited. So let me copy that last edited, followed by the data and time on the right. So I believe that this might be a mistake. So I want to believe that this is date. They mean date here. Okay, so I'll add date and time on the right. Okay, good. So in this case, I already added number here at the center. So I'll get this one off. I'll get this one off, and then paste this last edited. Okay, and date and time. So I'm going to add, let me just use the file path. So I will use field and then go to time. I like to use this because it will also give me the code. Where is time? Okay, time here. I want to take the short time. Let me just take this. Okay, sorry. I need to do date first of all. Sorry. Let me do date. Date first of all before time. So let me take the short date. So I'm gonna have space also, and then go back right there, field, any one of them, and then find time. Time, are you here? Time, good. I want to take a short time here, and then have it right there. Okay, so I'll exit my footer, and what's the next thing there? So I want to save my document. Yeah, I will save my document. Okay, so that's about it. So if you have any question, please leave a comment down below. All right, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.